This compact module is the simplest way to unlock the full 10 gigabit Ethernet performance potential of your compatible Synology NAS. Its impressive backwards compatibility ensures seamless integration into existing network infrastructures, automatically negotiating speeds from 100 megabits per second up to a full 10 gigabits per second. The installation process is incredibly user-friendly, as the module is specifically designed to slide into the dedicated upgrade slot on select Synology devices with minimal effort. Because this is an official Synology product, it guarantees optimal performance and unwavering reliability without the driver compatibility issues that can plague third-party cards. For creative professionals and small businesses, the dramatic increase in network bandwidth significantly accelerates workflows involving large file transfers and direct-from-NAS video editing. Its clever, compact design allows high-speed networking to be added to Synology's smaller NAS units that lack a traditional PCIe expansion slot.